Here we have is a 2009 Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter V8, four-wheel drive. It will seat up to 8. Leather. LTZ is the trim. This is the top of the line right here in this year. And it's only got 114,000 miles. Leather steering rack, power windows and locks, heated seats, 8-way adjustable power seats, and the interior is well above average. DVD player for the kids. $114,610 is the miles. No check engine lights. Thing rides like a beauty. Captain seating, easy in, easy out. Those seats do come out. That'll provide more cargo space. But come check it out at 6102 Merriam Drive in Merriam, Kansas. Right across from IKEA furniture store. A little hard to see there. Come check out the latest addition to our lineup. Thanks for watching.